This video is on Ingenuity Pack-n-Play Disassembly, aka Ingenuity Smart and Simple Playard Disassembly. This Ingenuity Pack-n-Play is a popular product, but boy, the Ingenuity Playpen takedown cannot be more confusing. Anyway, I cover Ingenuity Playard Disassembly step by step, and I start right now. Let's start how to disassemble Ingenuity Playard by removing the changing table. Pull up all the 4 clips to release them from the Playard frame. Unsnap it from the Playard. Turn it over. The legs are attached with push pins. Disconnect them. In this step, we remove the dream center, aka the newborn napper. Push the buttons to disconnect the napper like this. Turn it over. Unstrap the 4 buckles on each side like this. The legs are attached with push pins. Disconnect them with a screwdriver or a pen on both sides. There are 2 holes in the napper on each side. Remove the frame from the napper like this. Last but not least, I cover how to disassemble Ingenuity Smart and Simple Playard. Remove the mattress. How to fold Ingenuity Playard is tricky and can easily give you a headache. Make sure to closely follow the steps.
By the way, so far if you liked the video, please like the video. It's very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. For more baby related videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for the support, and let's continue with the video.
Grab the center handle in the Playard and raise the center. Do not try to release the sidebar before raising the center. It will not work. Now we unlock the sidebars. There are 3 steps. First, squeeze the latch release. Then lift. Lastly, push down. I suggest starting with the longer sidebars first. Put all the legs together like this. Now we wrap the mattress pad around it like this. Make sure the cushion side is up. Use the straps to keep it tight. Bag it up and you're ready to go. Just make sure the handle is out of the box.
This video is not a sponsor, and I also spend lots of time making and editing this video. If you got value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button, or even better by leaving a short or one word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching. Check out these other videos from us and you have a good one. Thank you. It is very helpful with the